It's March 23rd and a lot of work's been done over the spring break. Even though the foundation took some time, the steel went up pretty fast. Over spring break, construction workers have had the opportunity to get a lot of stuff done while students were away. As you can see, a lot of the steel has been put up. It's not quite done yet. I'm willing to bet a lot of the students will be surprised when they step back on campus and see what's been done. You've been on campus, I'm sure. You've heard everything that's been going on here. Even though we've been on break, they haven't. All the steel structure's up, they're just piecing it bit by bit. They've done this over the spring break.